Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix a low brightness problem in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix this problem in any iPhone. So guys, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. तो सब दोस्तों को गुजारिश करता हूँ कि मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली न्यू वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। तो आज मेरा वीडियो बनाने का मकसद यही था कि आईफोन पर लो ब्राइटनेस प्रॉब्लम जो है वो कैसे फ़िक्स करें। तो सब भाइयों से फिर भी गुजारिश करता हूँ वीडियो को लाजमी एंड तक देखना और कोई भी स्टेप मिस ना करना। इंशाल्लाह आपका प्रॉब्लम फिक्स हो जाएगा। So guys, do not waste any time. So fix this problem. Then first solution, you have open the setting and then you have click on accessibility and then you have click on display and text size and then scroll up, then you click on smart invert and then you have wait 5 to 10 seconds and then you have turn off smart invert and then if first solution is not working on your iPhone, then second solution you have again open the setting and then click on accessibility and then you have open the uh, display and text size and then scroll up, you have click on auto brightness 5 to 10 second, wait this and then you have turn on and then your problem will be fixed. If there are third solution, you have again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on display and text size, then you have turn off automatic. I have already turned off and you have must be turned off on your iPhone and then your problem will be fixed. If there are third solution is not working, there are last solution and 100% working on your iPhone, then you have last solution, restart your iPhone, uh, volume up button, volume down button and then press the volume power button and then you have show on Apple logo on your iPhone and then your problem will be fixed. If there are this solution is not working, their last solution, reset the setting, then you have open the setting and then click on general and then uh, transfer or reset all setting iPhone, given a passcode, do not lose any data of your iPhone, only reset setting and then your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.